Hello everyone, this is Shaw again with another small project that uh, jumped into my lap on a Saturday. It's the Dyson vacuum. Dyson Animal 2 O'Brien. And here's the manual. I took it out of the box already and took all the trashes out. Good cleaning area is much helpful when you're putting in things together. So we're gonna put it in. It's easy, very easy. Looked over the manual and figured out where everything goes, and I'm gonna show you how to put it in together. All right, so these attachments, I put them in like a line so it'll be easy to grab which part I need to put in. So let's get to it. So when you open the vacuum or you take it out of the box, this is the only thing that's a whole piece separate from those other ones. All right, so lay the vacuum like this, and the first part that we're gonna put in is this part, which is the brush part. So the parts that comes in, this is already attached to this, but it's easy for me to put this piece in first, then snap it onto here. Onto here. The brush part goes into here. So first, you need to put this red piece. This red piece basically locks the brush part into the vacuum. Let's put that in. It should snap. It's not easy when you have a camera in your hand, and there you go. It snaps in. And now this part goes onto here. Like so. Oops. So again, you should hear a click sound when you put it in. There you go. There's that click we were looking for. So that basically locks. You cannot take it out unless you take this red ring out. To take the red ring out is just press your finger in here and also on the other side and just fry it out. All right, so that's done. Next step is the handle that goes on to here. So basically this little sign right here, basically you snap it on, clicks here. This is button is to release it back out. Okay, and this little guy right here is gonna go next. This is basically goes into the hose over here. In case you need it for stairs, you can attach this piece to do the stairs, or if you want to attach this piece. So basically put that in here. It holds in here. Like that. and this goes into here. Now it goes in halfway. You hear that click? Now if you want to put it in all the way, you have to press this button. Now I don't have someone holding the phone for me, so we're gonna have to sit down like this to show you. Let's see if it's a good view. There we go. So again, press this button to go down, but don't put it all the way down, because this part will go into here. So turn it around, make sure this is pointing out, and then it goes in, and that's to lock it. So that one is set. Okay. And you should have this piece also comes with it. This right here goes on the side of the vacuum, which is right here. Snaps on, and then this attachment goes on to here. It snaps here, and then the next step is the canister. Canister will go in like so. It should snap. Like that. All right, everything is put in together, and Dyson has well, I figured it out that there's no place to put in this little attachment anywhere. I've looked it over, and I couldn't find any place to set this in. I have to research a little more, but I think there's a flaw on this part. Maybe like this somewhere. Well, if you guys figure out where this piece goes, let me know in the comments. Now everything is done. It's ready to be used. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this helped you, and if it did, hit the like button and also subscribe for new videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.